The second street is the longest street in the city. It starts from the west gate of the city and continues to the Great Monumental Stairs. The length of the street is approximately 356 meters, and its width varies between 3 and 5 meters. There are numerous olive workshops and warehouses on this street. The vast majority of the workshops are dedicated to olive oil production. However, workshops belonging to wine and other productions have also been found as a result of the excavations. During the excavation works, a large number of carbonized broad beans and carob fruits were discovered. The channel passing through the middle of the street was used to discharge wastewater out of the city. It is thought that this street was used from the 1st century to the 7th century after Christ. The vast majority of the workshops can be dated between the 5th and 7th centuries after Christ.